it's me, Krista. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If not, welcome for the very first time to my little art corner here on YouTube. Today we are going to be unboxing the SketchBox Premium box for December 2019. The art they have outside here is actually really cool. I love this dragon here, and it is by Allison Keller. Her Instagram is at @shadowdargon. I wanted to read it as the Shadow Dragon. And as always, if you want your art on the boxes, use the supplies inside and tag Sketchbox with #Sketchbox. Today's video is just going to be the unboxing. I will be doing a project another time. Let's get right into this box and see what is inside. We have our little art insert this month, and this one is by Alex White. It is a bunch of purple flowers that she did with this month's box. As always, we have our nice little menu that tells us exactly what comes inside this month's box. The first items in this month's box are two Sketchbox Signature Brush Markers 2.0, and the retail price is normally $6.99 each, and these are new colors. This month is all about illustration markers. Our most requested theme is back. First up, we included two brand new colors of our improved alcohol brush markers. These markers feature a new softer nib that truly behaves like a brush nib should. It flexes and returns to its shape, allowing for narrow lines or broad strokes. Unlike fiber nibs, this brush nib has a rubber to provide resilience and a smooth, almost buttery laydown of color. We included Concord Grape and Royal Purple to allow for blending between the two. They included these in a previous box I've gotten before. They work fairly well. They work as well as most alcohol-based markers do. So we got them again. Next we have two Copic sketch markers, one in Spanish Olive, one in Neutral Gray number 4. The retail price is normally $7.99 each, and these are a staff favorite. Copic's highest quality brush marker has a reputation known the world over, and for good reason. Their Japanese brush nibs are some of the best available. We included Spanish Olive and Neutral Gray number 4 to add to your floral palette and allow for shadows. Copic sketch markers are awesome. Have a couple of them. I'm interested in the fact that they put a gray in here. I feel like that's going to dull down some of the colors, but we will see. I'm kind of worried about it adding some muddiness to it if they're expecting us to use it for shading. The following item are some more markers. The Deleter Neo Pico color in pumpkin and green, and the retail price for these is normally $5.99. We found these alcohol markers at an art store while in Tokyo. They feature a flexible brush nib and a fine nib for detail work. We included pumpkin and green to broaden your floral palette this month. While I am happy that there are some markers in here I've never tried before, I am a little disappointed in the fact that I feel like we've gotten this color palette from them a couple of times. This feels very similar to the markers that were in the July Sketchbox to me. The only main difference is that one also had like a pinky color, but there's an orangey yellow, there's some greens, and definitely a couple purples that came in that one as well. I just think whoever picks the items has a very specific color palette that they personally enjoy working with, and they must feel that it's a very versatile one. So they like handing it down to us. The final marker that comes in this month's box is a Sketchbox Signature Pigment Liner, and it is a brush liner. And this is normally $2.99, and it is exclusive. Say hello to our new pigment brush. This pen is loaded with black India ink that flows through a narrow brush nib, making it perfect to outline your illustrations this month. From my quick little swatching, I actually really like this marker so far. You'll see how I feel when I'm done with the finished project. We got two kinds of paper this month. The first is a Copic Square Sketchbook, and this is normally $9.99 each. This 157 GSM sketchbook is Instagram ready with its square format and premium bond paper. I've never used any Copic paper ever, so it'll be nice to try some out and see how well they work with the markers. I also have never really had a square sketchbook, so that will also be new. The final item is a Strathmore 4x6" 400 series Bristol Pad, and the retail price of this is normally $3.99. We love this Bristol paper for illustration markers. It allows easier blending and smooth strokes. I've said it before, I'll say it again, I love using Bristol board for marker. It's great for colored pencil work and some other stuff as well. I've normally used the Strathmore 300 series, so jumping to the 400 series that's supposed to be better quality would be pretty awesome. Here's a shot of all the items that came in this month's box. I feel like we got a good amount of markers. I especially like that we have 2 different kinds of paper to play around with. That will be nice. I wish it was a different color palette, but that's just because I feel like they've sent us this color palette a couple times before. Since there are 2 different papers, I'm probably going to do 2 separate projects and then 2 separate videos. One will be posted on Wednesday and one will be posted on Friday. If you liked this video, please hit that like button. If you have any comments, questions, feelings, concerns, or you want to tell me how you felt about this month's box, let me know in that comment section down below. If you want to see more videos like this, please feel free to subscribe. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day or night to watch this video. I greatly appreciate it. I look forward to hearing from you guys soon, and you will definitely be hearing from me soon. Bye, everybody!